Are you looking for the best stereo speakers tablets? In this video we will look at some of the 7 best stereo speakers tablets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. PROSCAN Elite 10.1-inch Tablet DVD Combo. The PROSCAN Elite Tablet DVD Combo offers a stunning 10.1-inch high-definition screen, providing an excellent viewing experience for movies, games, or work. With its built-in rechargeable battery, you can enjoy hours of entertainment without interruptions, making it ideal for travel or family gatherings. The device supports both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, allowing you to easily switch between work tasks and leisure activities. Plus, the integrated camera helps you stay connected with loved ones or colleagues, enhancing your communication experience. What we like: large high-definition display, long-lasting rechargeable battery, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity, integrated camera for video calls. Number 2. redbeat 10.95-inch tablet. The redbeat tablet features a powerful Unisoc T616 processor, ensuring smooth multitasking for all your tasks, whether it's browsing, gaming, or streaming. With 16 GB RAM and a massive 256 GB storage, expandable to 1 TB, you'll have ample space for your photos, videos, and apps without worrying about running out of memory. The 8000 mAh battery supports long hours of use, making it perfect for both travel and home office needs. Additionally, enjoy stunning visuals on the 1920 by 1200 display paired with quad speakers for an immersive entertainment experience, allowing you to stream your favorite shows and movies in high definition. What we like: powerful multitasking performance, large expandable storage, long-lasting battery life, immersive audio and visuals. Number 3. ADREAMER 10.1-inch Windows 11 Tablet. The ADREAMER Windows tablet combines performance and versatility in a compact design. Powered by an Intel quad-core CPU, it ensures smooth multitasking, making it ideal for both work and study. With 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of expandable storage, you can easily manage numerous applications and store essential files without running out of space. The 10.1-inch Full HD IPS display provides vibrant visuals, perfect for enjoying movies or participating in video calls. Plus, the detachable keyboard transforms this tablet into a mini laptop, offering great flexibility for various tasks. What we like: high-performance quad-core processor, ample storage and RAM, vibrant Full HD display, detachable keyboard for versatility. Number 4. ApoloSign EP1095T Tablet. The ApoloSign tablet offers an impressive performance with its octa-core processor that allows you to multitask seamlessly. You can enjoy vibrant visuals on its 11-inch HD IPS display, perfect for streaming your favorite shows on platforms like Netflix and Disney+. With 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, you can run multiple apps smoothly and store plenty of files. The tablet's 7000 mAh battery ensures you stay powered throughout the day, making it ideal for both work and entertainment. Plus, with dual stereo speakers, you can enjoy an immersive audio experience while watching videos or listening to music. What we like: high-performance multitasking, vivid HD display, ample storage capacity, long-lasting battery life. Number 5. Microsoft Surface Pro 7 Plus Tablet. The Microsoft Surface Pro 7 Plus is a versatile tablet that combines power and portability. It features a robust Intel Core i7 processor, delivering speeds from 1.20 GHz to 2.80 GHz, which ensures smooth performance for multitasking and demanding applications. With 16 GB of RAM, you can run multiple programs at once without lag. The stunning 12.3-inch PixelSense touchscreen offers a high resolution of 2736 by 1824, making it perfect for graphic design or enjoying videos. Additionally, the device includes a variety of ports, including USB 3.0 and a microSD card reader, allowing you to connect various peripherals easily. What we like: powerful Intel Core i7. High-resolution touchscreen. Multiple connectivity options. Lightweight and portable. Number 6. MINISFORUM V3 SE Tablet PC. The MINISFORUM V3 SE is a powerful 3-in-1 tablet designed to enhance your productivity and entertainment experience. It features an AMD Ryzen 7 7735U processor, allowing you to tackle demanding tasks with ease. The 14-inch 2.5K IPS display offers stunning visuals with vibrant colors, perfect for work or leisure. With a 1TB SSD and 16GB of LPDDR5 memory, you can expect quick data access and smooth multitasking. Additionally, its dual-fan cooling system keeps the device running efficiently, ensuring you can work or play without interruption. What we like: powerful AMD processor. High-resolution display. Fast storage and memory. Efficient cooling system. Number 7. Daxceirry Win 600 Handheld Game Console. The Daxceirry Win 600 console is a versatile handheld gaming device that elevates your gaming and productivity experience. With its impressive 5.94-inch full lamination screen, you can enjoy a larger and clearer display for games and videos. Powered by the AMD Athlon Silver 3050E processor and integrated Radeon RX Vega 3 graphics, this console delivers smooth performance for both gaming and office tasks. Weighing just 490 grams, it's lightweight enough to take anywhere, allowing you to play your favorite PC games on the go. Plus, with pre-installed Windows 10 and support for SteamOS, you'll have access to a wide range of games and applications. What we like: high-performance CPU and GPU. Lightweight and portable design. Supports Windows 10 and SteamOS. Large, clear touchscreen display.